What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Measurable Data Token MDT, which has gained a huge amount of value over the last not even 24 hours, but I'd say last an hour and a half. As you can see here, it is currently worth just under 6 cents. So what is its next target? Where is it heading to? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? Is it too late? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, as a lot of people have been asking me a lot of different questions. So I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it a good investment? You know, should you avoid it? Should you get into it? And overall in 2022, how far can MDT go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway, so make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. And as you can see, the market is down 4%, guys. Yes, it is another major dip for the crypto market. Bitcoin has gone down to $34,000, guys. It is not looking too good at all, and obviously we were expecting it to. Obviously we had a major dip around 2-3 days ago where Bitcoin dropped to $35,000 to $36,000, and right now it dropped even more to 34, which is not looking too good for the whole crypto market. Obviously if Bitcoin is down, then everything else is down as well. However, MDT has managed to gain quite a decent amount of value and is a top gainer in the last 24 hours on the Coinbase website. In the last hour itself, it gained 22% in value in just a single hour. That is absolutely crazy, guys. Again, 22% is a lot, and especially when it's just within 1 hour, that is just crazy. And over the day, 29%, over the week 24%, and over the month overall 9%. We can see it dropping for most of the month. As you can see, we had a little peak here on the 20th of April, drop back down, and right now have the major peak. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1100%, making it just above $27 million. A huge amount of money is being traded on this crypto right now. I'm expecting this value and this percentage here to go even higher over the coming hours. Obviously it's just went up in value, so once more and more people get to know about it, there will be more and more traders and more money involved. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So I'm going to hide this for now, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and yes, we got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, looking very steep, going in a positive direction. This usually means we should expect increases in value over the coming hours. However, not in this case, guys. You may ask why. The only reason for that is obviously it hasn't peaked this much in a long time over the last 2-3 weeks, and the graph thinks, you know what, it's had a major peak in value, is going to keep going this way, is going to keep gaining value. That is not the case, guys. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase just like this one here, it has to come back down, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to MDT. So I am expecting it to take a little step back, take a little breather, some red candles, and then potentially go back up in value. But again, it's not going to be a huge increase or a huge pump or anything like that. I am expecting some red candles, and then after that, later on the day, we may see a little increase in value, but overall it's very likely that it's going to drop back down to about 0.055 target, somewhere around here towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Even though you may see peaks here and there, it's still a risky investment right now because of the major peaks that's taken place. Is likely to drop back down in value as well. So again, if you're in it for the short term, I wouldn't invest into it right now. But again, it's up to you guys. You do your own research and your own reading before you invest into it. So moving on to the hourly chart, the exact same applies to this one as well. As you can see, it hasn't gone up in value that much in the last 2-3 weeks, so the graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep going up, so on and so on. The exact same story. However, that is not the case, so I am expecting it to drop back down in value as well. So towards the end of next week, so this time next week, we should be back down to about the 5 cents target, fluctuating how it was before, and or even lower than the 5 cents target. So yeah, again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be dropping in value consistently for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome at this point seems to be just about more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit more realistic. Moving on to the daily chart, the long term, what can we see here? Even though we are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, they're not looking too steep, and that's one of the main things to look out for. When moving on back to the hourly chart, something like this is not realistic at all. Look how steep that line is. That is not realistic at all. So moving on to the daily chart, as you can see, compared to that, this is looking a little much more better, and is going to be a slow and steady increase in value towards mid-June to late June. We should expect an overall increase in value, potentially going back to about the 7 to 8 cents target, or even 9 cents by end of June. However, we still got about 5-6 weeks left for that. If you guys want more updates on MDT, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want more regular updates on this crypto, and I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. So yeah, these are my predictions. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and let's bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I get into that, guys, just a little announcement. If you guys want to find out what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat. The link to this will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is limited to the first 100 members that join. After that, it will increase to $29.99, and again, more than half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left for this discount. And again, just to make it clear, once you sign up, you get put into 2 group chats, guys. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptos, new projects that's coming up, and also that is also where I put my daily price prediction and technical analysis on specific cryptocurrencies upon your requests on a daily basis. So obviously the people in my Telegram group chat get more predictions and analysis compared to my subscribers on YouTube. But again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But if you just want to join, then the link to it is in the description box down below. So as mentioned here, we can see, let me go back to the hourly chart. It's already started to drop down in value, as you can see. Let me go back to the 30-minute chart. As you can see, it's started to drop back down in value already, as I previously mentioned. So guys, we are expecting, or I am expecting, sorry, to drop back down to about this target here, but more or less is likely to fluctuate in between the 7 cents target and the 0.045 target over the coming weeks, and potentially take a little breakout here, hitting about 9 to 10 cents by end of June and July as well. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on MDT if you guys want me to. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please guys, hit that subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.